Bienvenue tout le monde. Welcome everyone. Welcome to Learn French with Elvira. So in today's lesson, we are going to be learning numbers from 1 to 100 in French. Numbers from 1 to 100 in French. Vous êtes prêts? C'est parti. Are you ready? Let's get started. So right now you're going to repeat after me twice. Take note of the wordings at the left-hand side. At the left-hand side, the right top is your pronunciation, is how it's being pronounced in French. The right top by the left-hand side is the pronunciation of the numbers in French. So let's start. On, do, toi, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 31, 32, 32, 33, 33, 34, 34, 35, 35, 36, 36, 37, 37, 38, 38, 39, 39, 40, 40, 41, 41, 42, 42, 43, 43, 45, 45, 46, 46, 47, 47, 48, 48, 49, 49, 50, 51, 51, 52, 52, 53, 53, 55, 55, 56, 56, 57, 57, 58, 58, 59, 59, 60, 60, 61, 61, 62, 62, 63, 63, 64, 64, 65, 65, 66, 66, 68, 68, 69, 69, 70, 70, 71, 71, 72, 72, 73, 73, 74, 74, 75, 75, 76, 76, 77, 77, 78, 78, 79, 79, 80, 80, 81, 81, 82, 82, 83, 83, 84, 84, 85, 85, 86, 86, 87, 87, 88, 88, 89, 89, 90, 90, 91, 91, 92, 92, 93, 93, 94, 94, 95, 95, 96, 96, 97, 97, 98, 98, 99, 99, 100, 100. Bravo! That was wonderful. Counting numbers, French numbers with you. You can see how French is very fun. Who says French is difficult? So we're done with our numbers. So let's do a little bit of mathematics in French language. It's gonna be fun. Let's get started. Okay? How do we say 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 in French? 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 in French. We say 3 plus 5 égale à 8. 3 plus 5 égale à 8. You can see French is fun, right? So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 3 in French is 3. Plus in French is plus. 5 in French is 5. Equal to in French is égal à. 8 in French is 8. Perfect. The next one. Okay, let's try multiplication in French. Multiply means fois in French language. Multiply means fois in French language. So let's try. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. That's English, right? So in French language, it's 3 fois 4 égale à 12. 3 fois 4 égale à 12. That was wonderful. So let's try division in French language. So let's say 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2 in French language. How do we say it? We say 6 divisé par 3 égale à 2. Let's take it again. 6 divisé par 3 égale à 2. Bravo! Super! That was wonderful. Next, let's do some subtraction in French language. Minus in French is moins. Minus in French is moins. Moins. So, par example, 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So, in French, 8 moins 5 égale à 3. Let's take it again. 8 moins 5 égale à 3. Perfect. That was wonderful. So let's try percentage in French. What is percent in French? Percentage means pourcent. Pourcent. So let's try saying 20% in French language. 20% is 20%. 20%. So you can see French is very, very wonderful. So see you next time. So we've come to the end of today's lesson. It was wonderful learning numbers with you today. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more. Au revoir. See you next time. À bientôt.